Okay, so I was searching through eBay to see how much a 600 LT is, because someone told me it's only like 200,000. I'm like, holy shit, that's really cheap. But then I found something really special. 2018 McLaren F-150 Raptor.
It's only 44,000.
Exactly. Why would I want a McLaren F-150 Raptor? Salvage McLaren F-150 Raptor.
Do you think that also has star problems too?
I think they fixed it in this edition.
Pop, pop, pop. Let me close.
We're staying busy today, so we have a Tesla Model S here. We're removing the tint off the back window and then tinting the rest of the car. This Model S is here for new tires, and then we have this Tesla Model 3 here that we're clear-brawling the front bumper to get him ready for his little road trip that he's gonna take. We're working on a really cool Nardo gray Model 3 right now. We're actually installing an unplugged front lip spoiler. Here's the cool thing about it. The car was wrapped in Nardo gray. However, we painted this actually Nardo gray. Right now, we're actually making even more custom than it is by wrapping the newly painted spoiler in gloss black. We're doing like an accent piece on that. So the guys are taping it off. I'll show you what that looks like once we're done, but this is really cool.
Why do you have a black mask and I don't? Oh, it smells so good. Ah! So bad. You don't like the way that smells?
Sean, you picked the wrong career.
I'm gonna get a candle. Vinyl wrap.
Tyler can't be doing vinyl wraps. Come over here and he'll just be sniffing the car.
Sean, you obviously can't do shit. Look at your left hand.
That's legit. You guys are gonna need to stretch. Like, seriously. I need heat. You guys need to stretch.
This is not new to us. We know what we're doing. We've done this enough. I can do it. I can do it. Put me in, coach.
I was in Punta Cana last week. Punta Cana? That picture of him.
Just got done with the unplugged front lip spoiler being wrapped. This is a pretty cool 3. Love the Nardo gray wrap on it. Vorsteiner 109, Zara gray, nice silver finish. Unplugged Performance front lip spoiler. It comes unpainted in this black color, so we painted it to match the wrap as close as possible, which you guys know is really hard because the material of the front lip spoiler is different than obviously vinyl, so there's always going to be a little bit of a variance in the color, but I'm really happy with how it came out. We also added this nice gloss black vinyl accent piece on the outer portion of the lip, so it goes from this end here from the bottom and it comes out. It makes the front lip spoiler not protrude so much aesthetically or visually, and of course the gloss black does tie back in with the chrome delete.
You're gonna be shifting way more than I am.
Okay, you're also just as slow as my Raptor.
Then let's go with my car.
I can't right now.
Oh, my transmission's bad. That's so good.
Okay, we've already started modding the M4 spoiler delete, and I put the new reflectors in.
Yeah, this is definitely a spoiler delete.
It's like a camo effect. Previous body shop claimed they painted these reflectors. They're vinyl.
Oh, it is vinyl. Oh yeah, it is.
And look at that. Cuts in the Clearbra from previous shop.
This line, you guys see this line? This outline that runs all along the side marker?
Oh, look at that little line right there too.
Yeah, it's not a Clearbra line. It is literally a scratch line that runs all the way around from the Clearbra they did. Wow.
Wow. I used to drag race here back in preschool. You know what books do? Give you knowledge.
Oh, is that right?
You know what working here does? You can hold the key to a Lambo and flex on Snapchat.
Just fired it.
So I got done tinting the Tesla Model S. I'll show you what it looks like.
That's what it looks like now.
Yeah, you gotta go down. You gotta, okay, wider, go down, wider. There you go. There you go. Just got done tinting this Tesla Model S in Cerelux 20 on all the side windows in the back. I really like 20. It gives you that extra bit of privacy. And this is what the back window looks like. And here's the view from the inside. So again, this is 20%. But as you can see, looking out is not a problem at all. And that's the back window. Really like the shade. My personal favorite. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you guys haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video. And I will see you guys next time. Dustin, you can't poop out the coronavirus.
Let's race. Then let's race. Why don't you race me?
Because my car's on a lift.
Just do a date, time, and place, and we'll do it.
It's not real.
Why isn't it straight?
Maybe try to make it realistic.
It's not realistic to be straight and over the logo of the car.